Saluki Formula Racing is built around building a car every year to compete at Formula SAE Michigan. We start from scratch from a 140-page rulebook, and from there we bloom it out into a full running, driving race car. You come in as a freshman, sophomore, any year. You can also join as any major, so you could be a business student, you could be a mechanical engineer. We have a spot for you. We host several events. For instance, we run our car in the homecoming parade, the Lights Fantastic parade. We just generally try to get out there and be present, be in the spotlight. And then at the end of the year in May, we go up to Formula SAE Michigan in Brooklyn, Michigan, and compete against all of those schools. It really is like running a race car team. It takes all kinds. So we need all sorts of engineers to design the thing, but we also need fabricators. We need business students to help organize things with events and financial statements. And generally, just any form of race car knowledge is very, very welcome, and we really love to see that. We are very proud of our job placement rate as well as our retention policy and retention rate. We have a very strong alumni support network as well as student support network. We have not had a student drop out that has been committed to Saluki Formula Racing in over 10 years. We tout ourselves like freshmen, juniors, seniors. Everybody gets to drive the car if they put in the work. You can spend 1 hour a week on the car. You can spend 40 hours a week on the car. It's those that put in the extra hours, the extra effort to work on the car, to make it happen, that get to drive the car. And, hearing the car run and drive at competition, every team member that goes just feels that sense of accomplishment. All those that go to Formula SAE Michigan in May, they get to experience a lot of company culture with alumni at Caterpillar, at Boeing, and at various race car manufacturers like Dallara. So you get a lot of experience with these companies, just one-on-one conversations with people that work there, and those can help you get a job. Our garage doors are always open in engineering D0014C. And we also have a website. If you look up Saluki Formula Racing, you'll find our website, which will have more contact information as well as just general information about the clubs and sponsorships. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook with the tag of Saluki Formula Racing. I hope to see you here.